Hello, I'm Jen from Starshell Communications, and this is my video on effective strategies for delivering your lead magnet. So in this video, I'm going to explain to you how to come up with the best plan to get your lead magnet to the right audience and the most amount of people. So that's really the first clue. That is to understand what audience it is that you need to sell to. Do they hang out on which different social media channels? Are they likely to be on LinkedIn over Facebook or Instagram over TikTok? Wherever your audience hangs out, that's where you need to promote it most on socials. You need to ensure that your website and landing page are optimized to make sure that customers can find you organically. There's a lot of different tools out there that can help you with optimization. You can ask ChatGPT for some hints and tips on best keywords. You can use websites such as Answer the Public, which will show you what people are actually asking for and the keywords you can use, as well as SEO agencies, which will help you with your whole website. If you already have an email marketing list, you can send the offer out to your email list and ask them to share it with anybody that they might find is useful. If a few of them do download it, this isn't a problem. You can ask them for some social proof and ask them to talk about how amazing your lead magnet is. You could also look into doing some paid advertising. Now, I know that this is a big, scary area, and there are a lot of agencies out there that can help you with paid advertising, especially on social channels. However, it is a proven strategy for getting more warm leads to your lead magnet because you can be very specific with which audiences want to see your lead magnet. Another brilliant way is to work with other partnerships and collaborations in your field. Perhaps they've got a lead magnet that they want to share on a slightly different topic to yours, but your audiences are aligned. You could work together, perhaps going live on your social channels or doing a blog on each other's websites to promote your own lead magnet. This will help with your SEO as well and drive backlinks to you. The most important thing you can do is to measure your success. Just because posting about it on your socials works 6 months ago doesn't mean that it'll work today. You need to constantly be tracking and checking what people are doing with your lead magnet. I'd really encourage you to look into the different strategies available to you to promote your lead magnet. There's a lot of different ways out there you can shout about your lead magnet and get people to download it. If you'd like to know more, I've got a whole series on lead magnets. Please give my channel a subscribe and a like, and I'll be around for more questions in the comments. Thank you.